Magandang hapon guys. Dito na naman ako guys. Dito na naman tayo guys. Iboy Sariwa guys. Dito na ako guys sa Lixibo Barangay Need guys. Lixibo Barangay Need Sitio Kibang guys. Dito na ako na destino guys. Dito na ako nagtrabaho guys. Dito guys oh. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ang Lixibo guys, Barangay Need, Sitio Kibang guys. Dito naman ako guys. Ito guys oh. Dito na tayo guys oh. Maganda dito guys. Malamig talaga ang panahon dito guys. Araw-araw umuulan dito guys. Dito guys oh. Dito na naman kami guys. Oh. May dump truck pa guys na dumaan guys. Yan ang karga ng mga coal dito guys. Ito guys, pakita ko sa inyo guys ang Barangay Need guys, Lixibo guys. Ito guys oh. Ito naman guys oh, ito guys. Yan guys, ang Barangay Need guys. Ang lapad naman dito guys. Oh, makulimlim naman guys. Makulimlim na dito guys. Ito naman guys oh. Ito guys. Dito na naman ako guys. Ngayon guys, kakain ako ng makahiya leaves guys, kasi wala pang gulay dito guys. Makahiya leaves muna ang kakainin ko guys. Dito na naman tayo guys. Maghanap na naman tayo ng makahiya leaves guys. Ito guys oh. Dito guys. Hanap tayo ng makahiya leaves guys. Ito guys oh, ito guys. Makaya leaves to guys. Kukunin ko ito guys. Ito guys oh. Yan. Yan guys. Yan guys oh. Dito na naman guys. Ito na naman guys. Marami dito guys. Ang dami naman dito guys oh. Ito guys oh. Makaya leaves guys. Kukunin natin guys oh. Ito guys. Yan, kukunin natin guys ha. Yan. Makahiya talaga guys kasi kumikipot na siya guys oh. Oh. Ito guys. Yan. Dito na naman guys. Ito na naman guys oh. Kuha tayo guys. Dito naman tayo guys ha. Ito guys, parang umuulan na dito guys. Ito ang kakainin natin guys. Makaya leaves. Ito guys. Ito guys oh. Kakainin ko ito guys. Sariwa pa ito guys. Ito guys ha. Sarap dito guys. Ito guys. Sarap naman guys. Yung sariwa talaga guys. Parang umuulan na guys ah. Oh, maambon na naman guys ang panahon guys oh. Ito guys oh. Kulimlim naman guys. Sarap naman guys ang makahiya guys. Siguro guys kung may sakit tayo guys, gagamutin ng sakit natin dito guys, kasi sariwang dahon ang kinakain ko guys. Ito guys naman, kukuha na naman ako guys. Ito guys oh. Ito guys. Yan guys. Ito guys oh. Ito. Sarap naman guys. Hindi mapait guys ang makaya leaves guys, hindi mapait. Masarap guys. Ito guys oh. Kahiya talaga guys kasi kumikipot siya guys. Sarap naman. Hanap tayo ng mga hindi pa kumikipot guys para maganda guys ha. Ito guys oh. Yan guys. Ito guys, kumikipot na naman guys. Sarap. Ito na naman guys. Oh. Kukuha naman tayo na dito guys ng bago guys. Kunin natin guys ha. Kakainin ko ito guys. Ito guys. Oh. Hindi pa tumitiklop guys. Ito guys. Sarap talaga guys. Hindi naman mapait ito guys. Masarap guys. Hindi, mas mapait pa ang ampalaya nito guys. Mas mapait pa ang ampalaya nito guys. Oh. Sarap naman guys. Ito naman guys. Masarap naman guys. Hahanap naman tayo ng hindi kumikipot guys. Yung ganyan pa guys. Oh. Ito guys. Ito guys oh. Yan. Ito guys, kakainin ko na naman. Masarap talaga guys. Mas mapait pa ang ampalaya nito guys. Ito naman guys oh. Ito naman guys. Ito naman guys oh. Sarap naman guys. Masarap pa ito guys ha, kaysa gulay guys. Hindi siya mapait guys. Kuha naman tayo guys. Yung bago talaga guys. Yung bago ang kukunin ko guys. Guys oh. Hindi pa kumikipot guys. Ito guys, kukunin ko guys ha. Ito guys oh. Hindi pa kumikipot oh. Oh. Kakainin ko ito guys. Sarap naman guys. Yung hindi kumikipot yung kukunin ko guys para masarap guys. Lalong masarap. Ha? Dito na naman tayo guys. Maghanap naman tayo dito guys. Hindi pa kumikipot guys oh. Yung iba guys, kukunin natin guys. Yan, ito guys. Ito. Mas hindi pa siya mapait guys sa bayabas na dahon guys. Mas okay pa ito guys kaysa bayabas. Mas mapait talaga yung bayabas guys. Sarap naman guys. Ito guys oh. Ito guys. Ito naman guys. Masarap talaga kumain ng mga dahon dito guys. Ito guys oh. Para naman akong kabayo dito guys. May kabayo guys oh. Ito yun guys oh. Ang kabayo. Yan guys. Follow and share lang guys ha. Follow and share lang guys. Yung mga kaibigan ko guys. Follow and share lang kayo guys. Ito na naman tayo guys, maghanap naman tayo guys yung bumuka talaga guys. Andiyan guys, narito guys. Mga dahon guys ha. Ito guys. Kukunin natin guys. Kakainin na naman natin guys. Maliit na dahon lang ito guys. Ang dami naman. Maliit lang dahon ito guys. Ito guys oh. Ito no. Masarap guys. Hindi mapait guys. Mas mapait pa yung ampalaya guys. Yan guys. Bumubukak pa guys. Yan guys oh. Bumubuka pa guys oh. Bumubuka pa. Yan guys ha. Yan ang kakainin ko guys. Ito guys oh. Yan guys ha. Ito. Kunin natin guys. Ito guys oh. Kunin natin ha. Kunin natin. Yan. Ito guys. Malaki ito guys. Ito guys. Kakainin ko ito guys. Oh, marami mga motor talaga dito guys na dumadaan guys. Sa daan guys oh. Pero kakainin ko ito guys. Malaki ito guys. Sarap naman guys. Ito na naman guys oh. Laki naman guys. Sarap naman. Yan guys oh. Yung dump truck guys na dumadaan dito guys. Marami mga dump truck dito guys na dumadaan guys. Follow and share lang guys ha. Masarap talaga guys. Hindi mapait guys. Hindi mapait yung makahiya leaves guys. Masarap talagang kainin guys oh. Ang dami naman. kukuha naman tayo ng bago guys para makita ninyo guys nga totoo guys ang kinakain ko guys. Baka sabihin naman ninyo guys hindi ako kumakain guys. Ito guys oh, bago guys oh. Ito guys oh, ito guys oh, kainin ko to guys. Hindi mapait guys, masarap talaga guys. Follow and share guys ha. Salamat guys sa inyong pagpanood guys. Follow and share lang guys. Masarap talaga guys kapag kumakain ka ng makahiya leaves guys. Gamot man ito guys, yung makahiya leaves guys. Kakainin na lang natin guys. Okay guys. Kung may sakit kayo guys, kakain na lang kayo ng makahiya leaves guys. Kasi yung hayop guys, kumakain ng damo guys. Hindi naman natin makikita guys na may mga sakit sila guys. Guys, follow and share lang guys ha. Dito na naman ako guys sa kabundukan ng Lixibo guys. Barangay Need guys, Sitio Kibang guys. Ito na naman guys oh. Salamat guys. Salamat sa inyong pagkuhan guys. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay guys. Follow and share lang guys. Salamat guys ha. Hanggang dito na lang guys. See you soon guys. Salamat.